Little Cottage Company 12x24 Colonial Pinehurst Shed Review. Real build quality results. You plan a weekend project with high hopes, only to realize halfway through that your old shed is beyond saving. I watched my neighbor haul a rusted, leaking structure to the curb last spring after years of patching it. That slow, quiet defeat of watching your storage fail you hits differently than any other home frustration. Have you been putting off that decision too? Every season you delay, the clutter pressure compounds. Tools rust, equipment sits exposed, and that familiar tension of not having a proper, dedicated space gnaws at your productivity. One homeowner I know rented an off-site storage unit for 2 years just to avoid facing the problem. There has to be a better, calmer, more permanent answer sitting closer to home than that. Everything changed when I found the Little Cottage Company 12x24 Colonial Pinehurst Shed. Don't just grab any wood storage shed. Make sure it has LP SmartSide siding, backed by a 50-year warranty, so you never deal with rotting panels and constant maintenance headaches again. The Colonial Pinehurst arrives as a fully pre-cut, pre-labeled kit, with every piece of wood already measured and ready to place. The 2x4 framing on 16-inch centers creates genuine structural strength that handles high winds and heavy snow loads without flinching. A landscaper I know was about to order a generic metal shed when he stumbled onto this kit instead. He had it assembled with 2 helpers in a long weekend and described the finished structure as feeling like a permanent outbuilding, not a storage box. The 60-inch double doors open wide enough to roll his riding mower in without a second thought. Natural light streams in through the operable window, and the Colonial louvers keep air moving to prevent moisture buildup. The customization possibilities are the part most people overlook. After living with this shed through changing seasons, the daily quality becomes something you stop noticing because everything simply works. A construction materials analyst noted that LP SmartSide siding outperforms standard OSB and plywood in moisture resistance, impact tolerance, and long-term stability, which explains why the warranty extends to 50 years. A home improvement reviewer described the pre-cut kit approach as the smartest way to get a wood building without hiring a contractor, specifically praising how the labeled parts remove guesswork entirely. One buyer on a community forum mentioned that she finished her model in 2.5 days with a small team and said the instructions were clear enough that even her less experienced helpers kept pace comfortably. If you're wondering whether a woodshed requires too much ongoing maintenance, here's the honest answer. The LP SmartSide siding is treated to resist fungal decay and insects, so the upkeep is far lighter than traditional wood. What would your backyard actually feel like with 288 square feet of organized, dry, lockable storage working for you every single day? The Little Cottage Company 12x24 Colonial Pinehurst Shed turns the frustrating cycle of inadequate outdoor storage into something genuinely solved. With 288 square feet, colonial craftsmanship made in the USA, and siding backed by a 50-year warranty, this is real long-term storage confidence. Thousands of homeowners have already made this exact upgrade and stopped patching temporary solutions. Results may vary based on your foundation and local conditions. Find the affiliate link in the description and pinned comment. Come explore the difference this shed makes today.
For demo videos and current pricing, check the link in the description.